Good morning. Welcome to Grade 3 Science lesson. The topic is revision. Recycling can save the earth. Is this the correct place to throw garbage? Yes or no? Definitely it's no. What happens when people throw garbage on the road? It will make our surroundings dirty and pollute our environment. It can harm people and animals walking around. It makes the place smelly and unclean. Learning objective: to revise and recall the importance of recycling to protect the earth from pollution. What is waste? Waste is anything we throw away or get rid of that doesn't get used. Sometimes there are things which are harmful. Waste comes in infinite sizes. Some can be as small as an old toothbrush or as large as the body of a school bus. Did you know? During your lifetime, you will produce so much trash that it will weigh 600 times as much as you. This would fill many trucks. These are the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. What should we do? We have to recycle the waste materials. Recycling is to treat or process used materials or waste so we can use these materials again. This stops us from wasting useful materials. Why is recycling important to all of us? Recycling is important because it saves energy, reduces pollution. Each ton of recycled paper can save 17 trees and 7,000 gallons of water. We can use the 3 R's to reduce pollution. What is reduce? To make something smaller or useless. This means buy what you need and use everything that you buy. Reuse. You can reuse materials in their original form instead of throwing them away. When you use things like plastic cups, plates, and plastic food storage bags, don't throw them away, wash and reuse them. Recycle. It's a method of processing waste materials for reuse. What do you think we can recycle? Aluminum cans, cardboard, electronics, glass, plastic, newspaper, bottles, metals, paper, and steel cans. Can we use this water? What happened to the fish in the water? It's polluted. What will happen if we throw waste in the open? It causes pollution of air, water, and soil. We use trash bins to throw the rubbish. When it comes to throwing away items that we no longer need, it's so important that we separate our waste in the right way. Bins are sometimes in different colors so that user may differentiate between the types of materials to be placed in them. These are the different colored bins we use. What are the different colored recycling bins used for? Glass recycling, paper recycling, plastic, and general waste recycling. How are materials recycled? Materials are either brought to a center that collects recycled materials or they are picked up from recycling bins that are on the streets. The materials are then sorted, cleaned, and reprocessed into new materials. We can recycle dead plant material as well as by making compost heaps. What is compost? How is it made? Gardeners pile up dead plant materials. Microorganisms use the dead plant material as food. This is called rotting. As the plant material rots, it turns into compost. Compost helps plants to grow when it is added to the soil. It's your assessment. 3 R's, recycling, pollution, compost. These are your options. Question number 1, throwing waste in open areas causes dash. Reduce, reuse, and recycle are called the dash of waste management. Dash helps plants to grow when it's added to the soil. Dash reduces pollution. The answers. Number 1, it's pollution. Throwing waste in open areas causes pollution. Reduce, reuse, and recycle are called the 3 R's of waste management. Compost helps plants to grow when it's added to the soil. And the last answer is recycling reduces pollution. Thank you.